The court of Varanasi's senior-most judge is expected to decide today whether a case filed by 5 Hindu women seeking the right to worship inside the city's Gyanvapi mosque, which is located next to the famous Kashi Vishwanath temple, is maintainable or not. Security has been increased in Varanasi ahead of the verdict. District Judge A.K. Vishvesha is likely to pronounce orders on whether the case by the women that led to a survey inside the Gyanvapi mosque will continue to be heard or whether it will be ceased to have any legal standing. In May, the Supreme Court had assigned the case to the Varanasi District Judges Court, shifting it from a lower court where it was being heard till then. A month before the Supreme Court's intervention in the case, the Varanasi Civil Court had ordered filming of the Gyanvapi mosque based on the petition by the Hindu women. Here's a report.
The court of Varanasi's senior-most judge is expected to decide whether a case filed by 5 Hindu women seeking the right to worship inside the city's Gyanvapi mosque, located next to the famous Kashi Vishwanath temple, is maintainable or not. Varanasi District Judge A.K. Vishvesh is likely to pronounce orders on whether the case by the women that led to a video survey inside the Gyanvapi mosque will continue to be heard or whether it will cease to have any legal standing. In May this year, the Supreme Court of India assigned the case to the Varanasi District Judges Court, shifting it from a lower court, a civil court, where it was being heard till then, saying it needs to be heard by a senior judge given its sensitivity. A month before the Supreme Court's intervention, the Varanasi Civil Court had ordered the filming of the Gyanvapi mosque based on the petition by the Hindu women who claim there are idols of Hindu gods and goddesses in the Gyanvapi mosque complex. A report of the filming at the mosque was then submitted to the Varanasi court in a sealed cover, but the Hindu petitioners controversially released details just hours later. The report claimed a shivling had been found in a pond within the mosque complex used for wuzu or purification rituals before Muslim prayers. The judge hearing the case at the time had ordered the sealing of the pond. The filming inside the centuries-old mosque was challenged by the Gyanvapi Mosque Committee before the Supreme Court. The Muslim petitioners said the filming goes against the Places of Worship Act of 1991, which maintains the religious status of any place of worship as on the day of independence, which is August 15, 1947. The Mosque Committee made similar arguments before the Varanasi District Judges Court in the maintainability case, while lawyers for the Hindu petitioners claimed the law does not bar their case and that they could establish in court that the mosque premises were actually a temple as on the day of independence.